Hi there, my name's Jason. I'm in the 9 o'clock Fundamental Physics class with Mr. George Stewart for the month of December 2010. Happy holidays, everyone. This is my physics podcast, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about why things float. Good talks. It's sort of hard to talk about things floating when you don't have water. So I went to my buddy Jesse's house because he has a pretty big tub and I'm poor and I don't have a tub. So we have that. And then of course we need something to test what's going on. So we have regular festive Coca-Cola and then Diet Coke. In addition to letting me use his tub for this experiment, Jesse is now also going to act as a cameraman.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do here is, like I said, we got the two Coke bottles at exactly the same time. They're not really bottles or cans. We're going to drop them in the water and see which one floats, which one sinks. Ready? Got this? Clearly, as you guys can see, the Diet Coke is floating. Diet Coke. And the regular Coke has sunk to the bottom. So what exactly is going on here? Why is it that the Diet Coke floats and the other Coke sinks like a rock? Is it magic? Is it science? Well, yes, of course it's science, and it's pretty simple to explain. So what is the secret behind all of this witchcraft? Well, it's really easy. The reason has to do with the relative densities of the materials that we have. The density of water is equal to 1 gram per centimeter cubed. And if that object is less than 1, then the object is going to float. But if the object's density is over 1, then obviously it's going to sink. Well, in this case, it was the Diet Coke that floated. So, really, what's the difference? I mean, there has to be the same amount of liquid in both of these, and if we assume that they're made out of the same amount of aluminum, they should both sink. So the answer comes in what's in the aluminum cans. Turns out there is a density difference between the two, because Diet Coke uses a sugar substitute, where real Coke actually uses sugar. So for a recap, all you need to know is that the density of water equals 1 gram per centimeter cubed. And if it is less than that, it's going to float. If it's more than that, it's going to sink. I will always choose regular Coke over Diet Coke. That wasn't part of the experiment. But thank you for watching my physics podcast. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something. Have a good day.